Hello Mzansi, welcome to Askulu Mode Pro. I hope you stay, I hope you fall in love, and I definitely hope you hit that subscribe button. Oh no, Mzansi drags Ayanda Ncwane, guys. Ayanda Ncwane bekashade naSifiso Ncwane, guys, the kulungile baba hitmaker, and people are not so happy ma preaching skills wakhe, because we know ukuthi kulamalanga uyapreacher and people are not so happy. But makakhuluma nje usanda ngazuthi she doesn't know what she's talking about. Ngathi lost bantu bathi abekho happy, guys, abekho happy nje nakancane. They are even saying ukuthi akayekele umogeli uyayimosha, uthi asindisiwe. It's always sound as if she doesn't know what she's talking about. Uthi urine she's her own Mandela effect. Uti and Zita, my grand what? Like, people are so confused. They are just not impressed in my preaching skills. Okay, please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.